Do you know a stock or a piece of real estate is a security, but it may not be an asset? Now you are thinking, what is the difference between a security and an asset? A security is something you hope will keep your money secure, and generally, these securities are bound up tightly by government regulations, and that is why the US government organization that watches over much of the world of investing in this country is called the Securities and Exchange Commission. Its title is not the Asset and Exchange Commission. The government also knows that securities are not necessarily assets. Basically, an asset put money in your pocket or the income column, and a liability takes money out of your pocket and that shows up in your expenses column. Average investors are nervous about investing because they know that just because they buy a security, it does not mean they will make money. This problem with buying a security is that the investor can also lose money. Many people says that their house is the best investment. However, this is only true if they use this house to produce income. If it's not making you money, in fact, if you buy an expensive house, you want expensive furnitures and a lot of things, so you pay rent for your own house. Many times we buy a security like car, home, stock, and we think it's a great asset, but sometimes it becomes a liability. So if the security makes money and it puts money into the income column of financial statement, then it's an asset. But if it loses money and that event is recorded in the expenses column of the financial statement, then that security is a liability. In fact, the same security can change from being an asset into a liability. For example, you bought 100 shares of ABC company in August, for which you paid 1000 per share. In October, you will sell the shares for 1200 per share. Those 10 shares of stock were asset because they generated income, but in December you will sell 10 more shares for only 750, so that same stock had become a liability because it generated a loss and expenses. So it is up to you as an investor or a man to determine if every security is an asset or liability. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for